What is this? This is a St. John's wort extract. I've extracted about 42 grams of St. John's wort in water with a bit of acetic acid. Here's the glacial acetic acid that I'll be using. I have to go around this. And this is glacial acetic acid that I still have, and I put about equivalent to 10 grams of that, weighed it out in a separated funnel, and put it on a mass scale, weighed it out on a digital scale, and I have approximately 2% acetic acid. And as you can see closely, that's the St. John's wort turning that brown color. It's going to take a long time for the stirring in the St. John's wort that's up on top to produce a vigorous heat. I'm stirring it, I'm heating it, and I'm extracting it, and I'm going to use the St. John's wort when baking soda to compare to this. Compare this result of pure St. John's wort with extract. Pure St. John's wort to my St. John's wort. I use a chromatography paper and I heat it in a sand bath. This is a sand bath. And I'll put it on the hot plate and have it on moderate heat with alcohol. And I have the dye itself run up the column of the paper being filtered. And I can dry it first, then put it on. As a result, it'll give me good results. I have to give warnings because St. John's wort, if taken internally, would mix with antidepressants, serotonin reuptake inhibitors, MAO inhibitors, cortisone drugs. HIV can cause a serious illness or death. So you have to do your preparation before you actually do extract St. John's wort and actually take it as an herbal. If you take it as an herbal thing, then you have to know of the interactions with sunlight, what it can do with sunlight, what it can do to estrogen levels in the bloodstream for female people who are taking birth control. I'm not giving advice, medical advice. I'm just giving the warnings that if you take it, you must be aware of the side effects and the possible interactions with about 50 different drugs. I think this will be a very practical and good way. And another way you could do it is dilute it, neutralize the pH solution, or have alcohol, proof ethanol, and St. John's wort, and heat it like I'm doing here. Then put it into a water bath, put it into a beaker solution, and measure it with your pH meter. This is a pH meter right here that works, but it would be too cumbersome, I think. It would be quite cumbersome, but you could do that to detect the supply of materials that may shift the pH compared to one chemical with phytohormones, all those things, to your sample. If it just had alcohol, a little bit of proof alcohol, and water and the St. John's wort extract after you filtered it, it would be a good method to test. Chromatography, spot test, a number of things like that will give you good results. Depends on the brand and the leaves. Now, the leaves I got were very brown. As you can see again, they're very brown in the section. So I'm heating and stirring it, and I want it to heat to about 80 to 100 degrees with solution. So I'm feeling it. Just mildly warm now. My thermometer's upstairs, so I need to get it for the second run. Thanks for watching.